guys, this is Ray here with you today. Today we are doing something really fun. We are making a report, let's say, or final thoughts if you wish, on something I did 1 month and 1 day ago, to be so precise. It is my thoughts and my little experiment on Kiehl's cosmetics. So right now I'm sitting here in front of you barefaced. I have slightly mascara and a lip balm on. I'm not wearing skin makeup. That was really important for me to show you because I'm trying to be the most honest with you, and I bought all that cosmetics with my own money and I can give any thoughts on it. If I don't like it, I will say I don't like it. If I do, I will just be as honest as I possibly can. So let's dig right in. I will start with cleansing, and this is my Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Gel. And as you can see, I'm still working on it, but I'm so through it. So I have this left, literally. And I'm using this one for almost 6 months because I got it the way before, just when I just discovered Kiehl's, and I'm using it non-stop, once, even twice a day. I really love this one. I use it as is. I use it with my kind of Clarisonic thing. So it is a cleansing brush, but it is not the Clarisonic brand. It's the other brand. It has no strong smell. It soothes the skin. Just very good thing. I love it. I've been using it for 6 months, as I said, and I'm gonna keep using it, and I will consider repurchasing it. Very good stuff. Then let's move to the next step. This is a Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, the alcohol-free, which is really good about it, but still it is drying. So I didn't use that much of it. It doesn't mean I didn't use it. I've been using it every day, twice a day. And by the way, I want to use it right now. That's why I'm sitting bare skin, because I just want to go ahead and use some of those. I love the scent of it. I like the idea of Calendula because it is soothing, and especially when I have some breakouts or something, it is soothing. So it does what it states. This one is drying a bit. Although it has no alcohol, what is so good for your skin. If you have breakouts, if you have oily skin, if you have any concerns, or if you have some spots with like irritation or breakouts or something you want to calm, this one is really good. But it is a little bit hard for me to use it at the winter time. It doesn't mean I will throw it away, no way. I will keep it, but I will use it on an occasion. Next thing I had this Calendula Hydratating Mask. It is Calendula and Aloe Vera, and I'm completely out of it. It is empty, and I love it. It's so wonderfully smelling. It is so fresh and nice, and I've been using it to the very drop. So I liked how hydratating it was. I liked how soothing it was, because it really was. I will just consider repurchasing it. It is really a good one. I like this one. I really enjoyed it. Also, I heard, actually I saw online that they came out with new mask, which is ginger and hibiscus, and I'm really curious about that one. Oh, and another great mask they have is the earth mask. I'm completely out of that one, and I don't even have the bottle left. But the earth mask, it is so amazing. It is cleansing and it is pore tightening. It's something like everyone should try, and I'm really into that mask, as well as this one. They're pretty good about it. The next thing is the oil. yeah, it is Midnight Recovery Oil, and as I said, I've repurchased this one, so I mean the fact speaks for itself. Since I repurchased this product, it is really good, and I'm investing in it, and I will keep repurchasing it because it completely works for me. I love it. It is soothing, it is hydrating. Oh, and another oil is this one. I didn't buy it, I got just the samples, and I got so much into this Daily Reviving Concentrate oil. It is so good. So, and I'm not just using it daily, it is something I love to put into my foundation. I love to put it on my face and then put foundation on top, so it is a big thing in my makeup routine. So it is great. The smell and the texture, it absorbs so quickly. So I like this one, and I will consider purchasing the normal size. One more thing, the Kiehl's, especially the place I bought it at Neiman Marcus. They are so good at samples. They kind of stuck me up with this little samples of the Daily Reviving Concentrate. It was so good, and I'm so happy buying it there because they are so nice with giving samples, and I kind of can test the product before investing my money in it. This is Holy Grail, the miracle in a bottle, panacea if you will. It is the creamy eye treatment. As I mentioned, my eyes are so sensitive. The under eye area, the around the eye area, so sensitive, and especially with doing a lot of makeup, it gets very dry, it gets irritated, it gets cracks around my eyes, so it is so picky. So it reduces all that cracks and irritations to minimums. I will still get some here and there, but after I started using this one, it went to so less. I'm amazed, and to be honest, I will not go shy with this. I will just apply it all around my eyes in a thick layer, and I will have like panda eyes but in this light white color. So what I will do, I will put this one, the avocado treatment, I will put heavy rich layer and I will be happy with that. I would go for my recovery concentrate on its own. I will massage it into my skin and I will be good to go to bed, and in the morning my skin will be so plump and the eye area, it will be so moisturized and comfortable. So it is a dream come true, you know guys. I love this, and it will last me. It will last me for so long, and I'm really happy buying this one. So right now let's go to the Ultra Facial Cream, and this one, so I do not wonder anymore why this one is one of the best sellers. It is really popular among all the people. I mean, I've been reading the reviews and seen all the stars to this product, and it is good. It is so nice. I like the smell and the texture. It's really nice. I can describe this product as hydrating but still so light, so it's almost weightless. It absorbs quickly and nicely. It's really good. It is nourishing. So this is something I've been looking for a very long time, since most of the hydrating creams, which are not the water based but the cream based, they give this feeling of the mask, you know, like you put this mask on your face and it's still there. Yes, they do hydrate, but you can still feel heavy cream on your face. This one, it is complete opposite. So this product is like 2-in-1. Like you have a beautiful, rich, hydrating texture, but once you apply it, it feels like gel. So it absorbs right away. It is very light and you do not feel it like a mask, like nothing is there. And thanks to this product, my dry patches, they just disappeared. So right now I'm done with the facial care. Let's go to the body care, because this one needs our love as well. This shower treatment. It is smoothing oil to foam body cleanser. It's supposed to nourish your skin and cleanse it at the same time. So I've also been using this one every day, and you can tell I'm almost gone. This scent, it is really overwhelming, but by the end of your shower routine, you do not have your skin smelling this way. It does not leave the strong fragrance on you, which is good, but still too much scent here, so it doesn't moisturize that much. So it's something I will not repurchase because I'm not into the smell of it, and I didn't see the dramatic difference like with the avocado eye treatment. I've been shook. It is something amazing. This one, it's good. It's good for fun because it is oil which gets into foam. This is really fun, but that's not my favorite. It's not a bad product, but I'm not into it. This Creme de Corps, it is a whipped moisturizer. Okay, I've been carrying this one with me and I do enjoy it. It is nourishing. It is moisturizing. It is really good, and it says that in 10 days you will see the difference. The skin on my hands, it cracks the way less. Oh, by the way, let's apply it. Why not? Let me take off my rings. It has such a light scent, almost nothing is there, and I appreciate it so much. So, and especially when you're wearing some bougie aromas, you want to feel it instead of feeling your lotion. So this one is very good, and I mean, even among my friends, this one is a big favorite, and a few of my girlfriends, they do have those huge boxes, not boxes but the containers, the round ones. It's already in my skin, so it's not sticky, it's not oily. It is really, really good. Talking about all that skincare routine kind of reminded me about geishas facials. So what's so interesting about their routine was that they used nightingale pieces. They applied it wet and they let it dry, and while they've been removing it along with the exfoliation, they believed it was taking away the wrinkles. So let's do a quick summary about what we've learned today. So my absolute faves I cannot live without, and I will continue using and repurchasing, are eye treatment with avocado, so good. Ultra facial cream, love it. The night recovery concentrate, as well as the daily reviving concentrate, and I will consider repurchasing this one. Cleanser, really good, really, really, really good. Then the Calendula and Aloe mask, very nice. The Rare Earth mask, amazing. The lotion, when I'm through this one, I will consider buying a bigger size. So now let's go to the least favorite. So not bad, but not the most favorite. It is this toner. So as I said, it is a good product, but I'm not gonna use it like every single day. In cases if I want to disinfect something or really soothe something, it is an amazing product for that purpose. So if I will have the pimple or some irritation or redness, or my skin will be tired after the flight or something, it's something I will use for sure. And the least favorite, what did not work for me at all, and I will not consider repurchasing it, the body cleanser, the oil to foam. Just I do not see the point because it is not nourishing enough for my skin, because it feels really dry at the winter time and springtime. So it's not nourishing enough. It is overpowered with the smell. It's just not something, it was very fun to play with, but not something I'll consider buying again. Okay guys, we are at the end of the video, and I want to tell you that it was very, very interesting for me to make this little experiment, and I had a lot of fun, and I explored some great products and I found some misses, so I enjoyed the process. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you to make your decision to, if you consider buying some of those products, I helped you. For now, I love you all. I'm wishing you a good day, and love your skin and take care of yourself. I love you all, and mwah.